Vikrant Messi and Shweta Tripathi starred sci-fi film Cargo trailer is finally out now. Sharing the trailer on Instagram, Vikrant wrote, "हमारे साथ एक सफर पर चलोगे? #GoCargo." Directed by Aarti Kadaf, the film revolves around Demon Prahastha, who has been working on a spaceship for years for the post-death transition services with the help of a female astronaut, where dead people are recycled for rebirth. While Vikrant plays the demon, Shweta is cast as the astronaut. Cargo premiered at the 2019 Mami Film Festival under the Spotlight section and has been screened at several international film festivals. Ananya Pandey and Nishan Khattar starrer Kali Pili will release on October 2. Kali Pili is billed as a romantic action drama, a roller coaster ride that kicks off when a boy meets a girl one night. Ananya took to Instagram to share the news. She wrote, "मैड राइड की सवारी करनी है तो रेडी रहने का 2 अक्टूबर को." Ishan too took to social media to share the news. He wrote, "अपन भी रेडी है और अपनी काली पीली भी, तो पब्लिक अभी तुम भी हो जाओ रेडी, आ रही है मैड राइड." The film will release on Zplex. Actress Sai Manjrekar, who made her Bollywood debut with Dabangg 3, was recently snapped in Mumbai Juhu area. The actress was seen wearing black pants, which she paired up with blue hoodie. Sai kept her hair open and was seen sporting a mask. Meanwhile, actor Tiger Shroff was too snapped in city. The action star was seen wearing a black jacket, which he paired up with blue lower. Tiger also posed for the paps. Malaika Arora finally confirmed on Monday that she has tested positive for COVID-19 after speculative reports did the rounds that she has contracted the coronavirus. Malaika shared the news officially on Instagram, revealing that she has been infected by the virus. She added that she is asymptomatic and is quarantined at home. "Today I have tested positive for coronavirus, but I want to inform you all that I am feeling fine. I am asymptomatic and following all the required protocols and will be quarantined at home as instructed by my doctors and authorities. I request all of you to stay calm and safe. Thank you for all your support. Much love, Malaika Arora," Malaika wrote. News of Malaika being infected started doing the rounds shortly after her good friend Arjun Kapoor announced on Sunday that he has tested COVID-19 positive. Ahead of her visit to Mumbai in the light of her recent spat with Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut, Ministry of Home Affairs has granted Y category security to Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut, sources said. A Home Ministry official requesting anonymity told INS that Ranaut will be given round-the-clock security cover by a specialized security wing of one of the Central Armed Police Forces. However, the official said it was not yet confirmed if the security will be provided by the Central Industrial Security Force or the Central Reserve Police Force. Another official confirmed that Ranaut will be given Y category security cover before her landing in Mumbai on September 9, as she was in loggerheads with the Maharashtra government and Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut. Under the Y category security, one personal security officer in 3 shifts travels with the protectee in India, while 5 security personnel provide security at home. A total of 8 commandos will provide round-the-clock security to Ranaut. Reacting to the development on her security, Ranaut thanked Union Home Minister Amit Shah through his Twitter account in Hindi, saying, "This is proof that no faces will be able to crush our patriotic voice. I am thankful to Amit Shah ji, who could advise me not to go to Mumbai for a few days due to present circumstances, but he kept the words of a daughter of India and protected our self-respect. Jai Hind." Kangana Ranaut had recently compared Mumbai to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, triggering angry reactions from the Maharashtra government and Shiv Sena leaders. Her reaction came after Sanjay Raut had warned her against returning to Mumbai from her home state Himachal Pradesh. Actor Ananya Pandey and Ishan Khattar are gearing up for the release of their upcoming film Khali Pili. Recently, the duo were snapped at the Goa airport. Both were seen wearing mask, face shield and gloves. The film also features Ishan Khattar and is directed by Maqbool Khan. Khali Pili is billed as a romantic action drama, a roller coaster ride that kicks off when a boy meets a girl one night.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.